by popular demand, I just wanted to do a quick video on categories here for Snowball Analytics. So I've got a few questions in the comments and in the Discord as far as like how to rename these categories, because a lot of people just have like the automatic ones. It's a little bit buried, but you can find it under portfolio categories. So yeah, you can find that stuff here, and then you'll have that. And then if you go to change, you can go there, and then you'll have all your different categories here, right? You can kind of set your targets here like I have. So yeah, like I want to do 43% for growth, div growth anchors here. Here you can kind of just change stuff, right? Let's say I want to just change this to growth anchor ETFs. Let's say I'm going to move stuff to like, just to show that it works. Do that. And then you want to make sure to do save as well once you make any changes. So if I go back to save and then go back, you'll notice that, oh, I put this in the wrong spot. So yeah, growth anchor ETFs changed over here. So let's just go back and fix that. I put this to growth single stocks, save. And then, yeah, then you can kind of find that in here, right? And yeah, you'll see that this changed names as well. So yeah, that's pretty much the simple way of doing it. It's just a little bit buried here, easy to miss. It took me a little bit to do myself, but yeah, I'm just gonna revert that because that's not a single stock. Div growth, anchor ETF, save, and cool. Yeah, so now that's pretty much how you do it. You can kind of rename these as you want. Put what you want in it, right? And then also, yeah, it's always also nice that you can kind of see your sold as well too. Like for example, I sold out of all my growth single stocks the other day, but you can kind of still see that there. So you can see that I was actually positive here with all the realized P&L between that and the dividends. But yeah, categories are great to kind of really give yourself your target allocations, kind of see how stuff is sitting between all of each other, right? You can go as granular as this, or just go with like growth and high yield income. So yeah, that's a pretty simple setup for that. And also, yeah, just wanted to mention too, Snowball does have like their spring sale going on until Wednesday. So definitely a good time to check it out if you haven't subscribed yet. Personally, I've been liking it a lot, of course. You see how much I use it on the channel as far as kind of showing all my growth stuff, showing all the great heat maps and everything, right? And also the dividend calendar. So I definitely love it a lot for all that stuff in particular. And then also the categories. But yeah, check that out. There's a sale right now. You get 30% off for everything until March 25th. I'm just on the starter right now. Might maybe eventually upgrade to the investor one so I can get my other accounts in there. But if you want to use my promo code as well, it's fully invested FI here. And I think you'll get maybe an extra percentage on top of the 30% potentially. I'm not 100% sure, but we're trying. And then I'll get a little bit of a kickback as well too. But yeah, check it out. That's how you do the categories on Snowball. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.